Hello, once again welcome back to your big guy channel. In this video we will learn something different. So this is a MS Excel open, and here what I'm going to show you. Just wait and watch. Right now I don't have any data here. If I want to put just a random data, so there's a formula called equals, and just type like this, array, and bracket open, bracket close. That's it, and press enter. You will see there is already some data over here on the screen. Now let me minimize this data. So it will fit on one page. Okay, so this is the data which we have. Now what we need to do, example, this data is in a proper format. If I want to change it to upper format or lower format, how can I do that? So simply shift F3 is the function you have to press from your keyboard. Shift F3. Now it's all is upper format. If I want to change this to lowers, again shift F3, and if you want to make it proper format, again shift F3. So this is how it works. Don't forget about the function key. If in case your keyboards are different, you can use also function key with shift. So that's it about this video. See you next time.